Hey guys, how's it going? Today this just showed up, and as you can see, I put this harmonica box there because it does show part of my address in marker, even though it did come with the labels like you usually get. But yeah, this I have the harmonica box covering up part of my address, because again, it is written in big black marker. So, without further ado, let's try and get this open with just this. There we go, just about find the right spot. It's difficult one-handed. I'll get this open off camera. Okay, I got it open. Oh, let's see. Yes. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, I know exactly what you're thinking. This is by a Great Western Railway, not the LNER. Yeah, I know. And I know you're probably thinking, well, is he going into a different livery? Well, no. The LNER is still in my heart. Let's try and get this open and have a look at it. I got this. There we go. I got this off Amazon, and I had my eye on this thing for a long time, a really long time. And this is brand new, as you can see. Oh, that is so surprising. It's got metal wheels. Yo, is a new Hornby stuff going with metal wheels now? Let's look at this thing. Oh wow, it just got tables in it, not just the actual seats. Wow. This thing is so cool. It weighs quite a bit. For a railroad coach, you know, this thing is absolutely awesome. Oh, that's nice. It looks a bit different. But yeah, I wanted this for quite a while. Sorry if my phone was on a bit of an angle the entire time. I didn't notice it. I was too excited in getting this thing open. But yeah, look at this. And for a railroad model, this thing comes with metal wheels. I had a feeling that they would come with plastic like my first LNER coach that I got. Hold on. It's right here. And here is a Grizzly T coach that I got off Amazon, and look, plastic wheels. You can tell they're plastic by just looking at it. While this restaurant coach, it feels cold to the touch. It comes with metal wheels. Look at that, it just keeps going. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. This coach is awesome. I love the interior, if you can see it. Yeah. And I wonder how long is this thing? Huh. So it's the same length as a Grizzly T coach. Okay. I had a feeling it was going to be a tad bit longer or something like that. Alright. Let's put it on the track and see what it's like. I can't believe it. My first ever coach that is outside the LNER. Completely 100% outside the LNER. It rolls really nicely. Okay. So, oh my god, I don't know what to say. This coach is just awesome. I mean, it feels really cold. I don't know if it's just me, or is that the package has been in the mail truck for a little bit, or I don't know. It's not made of die cast, I can tell you that. If it would be made of die cast, it would make this thing more expensive. Oh yeah, I know what I was gonna say now. Hornby, when they make coaches like this, they don't make restaurant coaches in the LNER for a railroad. They don't. I had my eye on this thing for, I'd say, about a year now, somewhere around a year, I would say so. And I would see this thing go for a really high price, like around $50 to 70 to 100, because it's from the UK. It's coming all the way from the UK. And yeah, and last week I saw this for a really, really good price. I just had to have it. Anyways, enough talking. Let's get this thing rolling. Here comes Commonwealth of Australia. There we go. I know it'll look different. Look at that. The train is much longer now. It's much longer. So yeah. Let's say Commonwealth of Australia or let's get Commonwealth of Australia to take this coach for a spin. It looks nice. It looks really nice. So what do I think about it? Well, it looks really nice. Like I just said, the corridors right here are a tad bit smaller, but I can live with that. And to be honest, even though this is based off of another railroad company, like I said, the Great Western Railway, that's pretty much okay, because if you go on the Heritage Line in the UK, even in the US too, you see coaches mixed up a lot. I mean a lot. So yeah, that's the GWR restaurant coach. If you want me to film myself opening this, want to see what's inside, I'll do that. Just let me know and I'll do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.